All right, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Mata here. That's a Polish rapper and does this song called Up, Up, Up. So he's really flying here. So anyway, for all you Polish boys and girls out there, this one is for you. Mata, Up, Up, Up. Let's go. And we're going to look at this tutorial here with the capo set on the 7th fret high up. Why? We have the high notes, okay, and we also want to combine them with the easiest chords possible, so that's the reason. A great match there. Capo on 7th, let's go into the 4 main chords. We're going to throw in the 5th one that is used sometimes here and there, but anyway, 4 chords is mainly what we're going to work with. So let's start with the chords and the beautiful A minor. So A minor goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and actually we'll just use the bass strings of it when it comes to holding the grip, okay? So you're gonna use 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and yeah, you can also play the open E, but I will try to avoid it as much as possible. The melody goes there on the open B, so we wanna highlight that. So anyway, that will be the G for this specific song. Next, C. It goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the F. That's a bar chord. We place the index finger here on the 1st fret and you push down all strings. Then you need to add 3rd fret on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. These are 4 main chords, so sometimes we're gonna use the D sus chord as well. And it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. All right, so there we have the chords, and the chord progression here will be A minor, G, C, and mostly F, sometimes D. But that's the order of it. Let's go into this cool melody, and we're gonna do it chord by chord. We're gonna start with A minor. So what you need is to play this. Okay, so that is to play open A, 1st B, open A, 1st B, and a clap, and then open A. Slowly like this. That's the tempo, all right? That's the A minor part into the G now, and it goes like this. So that is to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open B. Then you play the 3rd A, and I just tip down my finger I'm using on the 3rd E to the 3rd A like this, okay? Using the same fingers, you don't have to. You can also use 2 fingers like that. I think that is not necessary, so just tip down my finger. So anyway, that's how you do it. So 3rd fret E together with open B, then tip down to the 3rd A, a clap, and 3rd A again. From that position, you finish the G, you go into the C, and you're ready for the 3rd fret A string here. And it goes like this. So that is to play 3rd A, open high E, 3rd A, open high E, and a clap, and 3rd A. And then comes the final part here. We're gonna use the F first, and it goes like this. So that is to play 1st fret on E string together with 2nd G, then open G, then clap, and 3rd B. That is the F part. If you choose to go with the D sus, which is does sometimes, not that often, mostly it's F, then you just replace the bass string there. Instead of playing the 1st fret E string, you're gonna play now the open D. So you play that together with the 2nd G, the open D, 2nd G, and the rest is the same. Open G, clap, and 3rd B. Okay, so they have different options there in the end. That is the melody. I'm gonna take you through one round slowly and then one round in standard tempo. Let's go from the beginning. Choose the F, and I'm going to do that as well with the standard tempo. Let's go. right? You can also add up when you play this melodies. So when you play the bass notes, you still play the same as we just learned. When you play the answering notes, that means on the higher B and E string and so on, you can use strings more than just that specific note, okay? The specific note is important, that's where the melody goes, but you can also have the supported string around when you play more of the full chords. So you're gonna hold pretty much the A minor as it is, the G as it is, now the C as it is, the chord, and the F as it is. And then you can take more strings out of this chords. It will give you a little bit more meatier, fleshier sound to it. I'm gonna show you one round. I'm gonna take down the tempo to understand what's going on. I'm using more strings when I play the answering notes, okay? So it goes like this. So I think you understand the concept there of using the full chord, more strings around the actual note we want to highlight and play in that way. Okay, that is the melody part. Now let's go into the strumming. And we have a strumming pattern that goes over 2 chords. So we have 2 parts of it. So we're gonna look at the first transition from A minor to G. So A minor part 1 goes like this. So it's down, down, up, clap. Okay, and then you shift chord to next, in this case the G, and play part 2, which will be down, down, clap, down. So down, pause there, and then down, clap, down. So. If you put that together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And then you just use the same principle for the next 2 chords. C is played in the same way as A minor, the down, down, up, clap, part 1, and then F in the same way as the G, the down, down, clap, down, part 2. And sometimes, like I said, you use the D sus chord instead of F. So one round of A minor, G, C, F sounds like this, and then I'm gonna go into a second round with the D ending as well. So let's go. You can go back and forth with melody and bring some strumming somewhere here and there and do a matchup like that. And that is how you handle mats up, right? Nice. It just flows in when you say that mata up. I love that song, the title, and the sound as well. So yeah, give it a try if you love that song. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.